whatever you want.
Not like this. Hey friends, welcome to our YouTube channel.
Okay.
Hey friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. I am Kira. And I am Emily. And we are the Sunshine Sisters. In this video, we are going to show you how to make slime. And for the ingredients, we need glue and liquid starch and balls and spoons for us to mix. Also, we need paint for the ingredients. And for fun, we are adding some glitter to it. Let's get started. Now we're going to start with the glue first. Okay, there we are. You do it first. We just need 4 to 5 tablespoons of glue and put it in a little bowl. Next, we're gonna add the color, which can be food coloring or paint. But we are gonna use paint. And I'm gonna use orange for this batch of slime. And I'm gonna use pink for this batch of slime. Put the color in. This is the fun part. The element is glitter. And I am gonna use golden glitter. And I am gonna use silver glitter. For the next ingredient, we're going to add liquid starch that is going to make it turn into slime. And also, just add little by little until you think it's the right consistency. Wow! 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 Look at it! I love my orange slime, and it has the silver glitter. Can I see? Oh, wow! I love it. Do you want to see mine? Wait! Oh, I love it! Do you want to see mine? Wow! I love it. Sure, I would love to see it. Wow! 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 I love it very much. It's with golden glitter and pink, my favorite color. That's so cool. Thank you. Now let's get our hands dirty. Look at that. Look at it. Look at it. Oh, wait. Ah. Our gold and silver sparkles was hard to see, so then we added different color. And I added pink sparkles. And I added blue sparkles. Just keep adding liquid starch until you think the slime is right. Look at it. Wow, it's so beautiful. I like how it's pink and blue, and I see some golden. But wow, it's so pretty. Look at it. Let's make You can see my face. Yes, just keep mixing it so then the slime gets slimier and slimier. And if you add way too much liquid starch, it may not turn out well. And if you know, and how you know if it's right, it's supposed to not stick onto your hand, and it's supposed to be gooey like this. Look, there's some extra glitter. Let's mix it in. Yeah, let's go. I love a slime. Let's spread it out. Let's start going with it. Come on, family. Yow! Oh, this slime. Do you think it needs more detail? I don't know, but I'm not sure. Look at me. I have shoes, I'm flying. We made the perfect slime because it does not stick to our hands, and it's very gluey and very sparkly, and we love it so much. And also, this is a very important warning to not get slime on your hair or on your clothes or fabric or any furniture or rugs, because it will stick on there forever and you can never take it off. And we don't want to make our parents upset. We know from experience. Because I had to chop off my hair because I got slime in it. Guys, thanks for watching our video on slime. I hope you like this. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And please smash that subscribe button. And look on the comment below if you want to know where to get the ingredients. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye. We love you. And please share it with your friends.